How to check photo or video information on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just open up your photos, then pick a photo or video that you want. It's just the same process, be it a photo or video. I'll just tap on this photo, and what you want to do is just tap on like the letter I icon just besides the trash can or garbage icon and the heart icon. And tap on that, you will see the information. So you will see the image name, you will see when it was shot, the date, time. As you can see, you could also see it in the maps. You'll also see the size, which is 1.3 megabytes, and also the resolution right there. And here you'll see the camera info, the sensor, like the ISO 800, or I mean the settings for the camera, the ISO 800, like the exposures and stuff, the depth, and it's all right there. And that's how you basically check the photo or video information on iPhone.